this video, we're diving into how to sell pre-built GoHighLevel funnel templates online and how that can become one of the easiest ways to build passive income, even if you're just starting out. What's going on, everyone? My name's Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel, we cut through the fluff to help you build smart, flexible income streams that don't require you to grind 24/7. Now, let's be real. The online business space is full of people shouting about passive income. But when you dig into what they're actually doing, it's usually anything but passive. Selling templates, though, that's a different story. You build it once, you list it, and it keeps working for you. So in this video, I'll walk you through exactly how this works with GoHighLevel, how to get started with no experience, and how to grow it into something you can actually count on. Why funnel templates are a smart side hustle. All right, let's start with the big picture. Why funnel templates? And why now? Selling digital products has been around for years now. But while ebooks, checklists, and Canva templates are still useful, funnel templates hit different. They're not just a nice to have. They're something many businesses genuinely need to survive, especially in today's world where attention spans are short and everyone is trying to turn clicks into customers fast. A funnel, in simple terms, is just a guided experience. Someone clicks a link, they land on a page, they give their email or make a purchase, and they're off to the next step. If it's well built, it's like having a little employee that works for you 24/7. And most people hate building them. That's where you can step in. Instead of offering to build funnels from scratch for every client, which is honestly draining, you can flip the script. Build one great funnel, save it as a template, and sell it again and again. It's like making a frozen pizza instead of cooking fresh every single time. Just as tasty, way less effort. And the best part is you don't have to be some expert web designer or tech wizard. If you can drag, drop, type some words, and make things look decent, you're already halfway there. Step 1, learn the basics and build your first funnel. All right, first things first, if you don't have a GoHighLevel account, you can click the link down below in the description to get started with a free 14-day trial. No obligation, you can try it out, use all its features, and make your decision within 14 days. You can even start selling some templates in that time frame and have those templates pay for your subscription. So let's talk about getting started. This is where most people get stuck, and not because it's hard, but because they think it has to be perfect. Here's the truth. Your first funnel won't be perfect, and that's totally fine. GoHighLevel makes the learning curve pretty gentle. It's built for non-techie people. And once you poke around a bit, you'll realize it's just about stacking sections and connecting a few dots. Pick a niche that makes sense to you. Maybe you know someone who's a coach, or you've seen real estate agents constantly asking for leads. Choose one of those. Then build a simple lead funnel. Just a landing page with a form and a thank you page. You can use ChatGPT to help write the words if that's not your strong suit. You can even use Canva to create visuals. None of this has to be fancy, just clear and simple and functional. Once you've built it, test it out. Post it on your socials, ask a couple friends to go through it, and see if emails come through. That's it. You now have your first working funnel. This is your foundation, and you'll keep coming back to it. All right, let's go ahead and hop into GoHighLevel here and create a funnel. So here in GoHighLevel under sites, we're going to come over here to funnels, and we'll go ahead and click on new funnel. Now, what's really awesome is that you got a couple different options here. If you want, you could start with a blank screen and create it all yourself. Or you can start from a template or use Funnel AI. For this example, we're just gonna go ahead, hop into the templates and poke around. So what's cool about this is, there's tons of different categories, there's different types, there's different tags. For example, maybe we want to capture more leads. So we go ahead and select this lead capture. And then we've got a ton of different options to choose from. So we can go ahead and preview it, we could favorite it. Let's go ahead and check out this one. This is for real estate services. So maybe we're making one for realtors. Maybe that's the niche that you want to get into. So let's go ahead, we'll click on continue, and GoHighLevel will just add this template to our account and we'll be able to start editing it soon. So you've chosen your niche, maybe it's realtors in your area, and you decided that you want to create a funnel for them so they can get more clients. So you go ahead, you start with this template, and what's great about GoHighLevel is it's super easy to use. You just come in here, and instead of saying we are the best in real estate service, just say maybe something like need a home, I'm your new homie. something, obviously gonna want some copywriting skills here, but just to show you how easy it is to edit, you can go ahead and do that. Now, obviously this is gonna need to be updated and edited, which again, it's super easy to do. You can come in here, click on this here. If you wanna replace this image, you can do so by clicking on settings right here. And this is where that image is located. So if you want a new one, you can click on the little image there and upload something, or you can connect your Google Drive and make all the changes that you need to. But as you can see, I mean, this is a pretty good looking page so far. So again, what this does, it has this contact us button, which then you can start collecting information and reach out to them and go from there. Now, one thing I highly recommend is you click this little button right here and check out what this looks like on mobile. In this day and age, the majority of web traffic is coming from mobile. So you better make sure that your landing page looks good on a smaller screen. Once it's ready to go, you can go ahead and hit publish up here at the top. Step 2, turn that funnel into a sellable template. So now you've built something, great, but how do you actually turn it into something people can buy? Well, inside GoHighLevel, there's a feature called snapshots. Think of it as a way to bundle up everything you've built, the pages, the settings, the workflows, and package it into a single file that someone else can load into their account. It's like saving your funnel as a zip file, but way easier. Now, before you export it though, give it a little polish. Replace any specific names or logos with placeholders. Don't forget to add instructions like insert your business name here. Make it clean and simple so someone else can use it without asking a million questions. Remember, we're going for passive income here, not active income. Now, once it's ready, you can export that share link. Now you've got a digital product. If that feels too easy, well, it's because it kind of is. So let's say we're happy with this and we'll come up here and we'll go ahead and click save. And then we can come in here and we'll hit publish. Now you need to connect a domain for this. So for now, we'll go ahead and skip this step and we'll just come back here. Step 3, choose your niche and create a mini collection. Now here's where things start to get fun. You've got your first funnel. Now what? Don't try to serve everyone. That's how people get overwhelmed and they burn out. Pick one group and go all in. Let's say your first funnel was for realtors. Cool. Build 2 more that go with it. Maybe a funnel for attracting home sellers, one for new buyers, and another for realtors promoting an open house. Now you've got a mini bundle. It's like selling a meal deal instead of just one taco. Having a collection makes your offer look more valuable. It also makes your pricing easier. You're not just selling a funnel, you're selling an entire toolkit. This part is also where you can start thinking about the common pain points your niche has. What are they constantly asking for? What are they confused about? Build for that. And no, you don't need 10 templates. 3 good ones and a clear niche is plenty to start. Focus on quality, not quantity. Step 4, set up a simple sales page. No fancy website needed. Let's talk about where to actually sell your templates. Now, you don't need to build a full-blown website. Seriously, that can come later. Platforms like Whop, Gumroad, or even Notion page with a payment link work just fine. But you can also do this inside of GoHighLevel. The key is giving people a clear place to see what the template looks like, understand what they're getting, buy it with as few clicks as possible, upload a few screenshots, maybe record a super quick video walking through how it works. You don't need to show your face, just screen record and talk through the different pages. Set the price based on value, not effort. If it solves a $500 problem for a business owner, it's okay to charge $47 to $97, even more. And if you're offering a bundle of funnels, then you can easily price it at $150 or more. As long as the value is clear, people will pay. Step 5, get eyes on your offer without spending a dime on ads. Now here's the deal. You can build the world's best funnel template, but if no one sees it, it's just sitting in digital dust. Luckily, you don't need to run paid ads to make your first sales. There are free ways to get traffic that actually work. They just take a little effort. Start by posting on TikTok or Instagram Reels. You don't need a big following. Just talk about common problems in your niche and how your funnel solves them. Keep the videos short, casual, and helpful. You can also join a few Facebook groups where your target buyers hang out. Now, don't spam here, just be helpful. Answer questions, share your free funnel as a lead magnet, and start conversations. And here's a sneaky good trick. Make a YouTube video with a title like Best Funnel for Your Niche, and then walk through your template. SEO will do the rest. Don't overthink it. Just focus on getting your first 10 to 20 people to check it out. That's enough to get the ball rolling. Step 6, offer a free version to build trust. People love free stuff, especially if it actually helps them. So here's a smart way to build trust and collect emails at the same time. Take your template and strip it down into a free light version. Maybe it's just the first page, or maybe the design is more basic. Doesn't matter. Give it away in exchange for an email address. Now this does two things. Proves you can deliver real value, and it builds a list of people who are clearly interested in funnel templates. Now whenever you launch a new funnel or want to promote your paid version, you've already got people to send it to. Email might feel old school, but it still works, especially when your audience is made of small business owners or coaches who check their inbox all day. Step 7, make it a system. This is where things shift from side hustle to mini business. Once you've proven people want your templates, then it's time to get consistent. That doesn't mean hustling nonstop. It just means having a plan. Maybe you build one new template a month, or maybe you spend one weekend recording some content and schedule it out over 2 weeks. Batch your work, reuse content. Keep it simple. As your catalog grows, your traffic grows too. Old templates still sell, new ones keep the momentum going. At this point, you can bundle old templates and launch them as starter packs. Run flash sales to your email list. Start offering higher tier templates or done-for-you upgrades, all without adding much extra work. Long-term play, funnel templates as the foundation for bigger moves. This whole thing might start with just one funnel, but where it goes from there is totally up to you. You could start a small funnel agency using your templates as a base. You could license your templates to coaches or course creators. Launch a template membership site, or you can just keep it simple. Keep selling templates. Keep growing your audience. Keep stacking digital income. There's no pressure to turn it into a big business unless you want to. But the foundation is solid. You're creating digital assets that work for you, not the other way around. So if you're looking for an honest, low barrier way to start making money online without juggling clients, booking calls, or learning 100 tools, this is it. Selling Go High Level funnel templates is simple, scalable, and way more doable than most people realize. You don't need a ton of followers. You don't need to be a tech genius. You don't need to spend money to make money. All you need is one funnel, one person to buy it, and a little consistency to keep going. So go build your first one. You might be surprised where it takes you. Now, if you want to get started with Go High Level, we've got a link for you down in the description where you can get a free 14-day trial. This is an affiliate link, which means we do earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using them, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on Side Hustle Mastery, we explore a wide range of different side hustle ideas, strategies, and tips to make an extra income. So be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you for watching. We'll see you here in the next video.